Hello guys, welcome to 7th video in this series. We have completed how we can write in our Google Drive or Google Sheet from our application. From this video, we will see how to fetch those data in our application. You must remember we are use doPost function when we are sending data from our application to our Google Drive. Now, to sending data from our Google Drive to our application, we will use doGet function. This is the code for sending all our Google Sheet data to our application. Now let's see what I have done in this doGet function. Here I have created a array type variable records. Here in variable ss we are assigning the spreadsheet by that spreadsheet link. You must be know this spreadsheet can contain number of sheets. Here in variable sheet we are assigning the specific sheet from that spreadsheet by that sheet name. Here we are extracting all data from that sheet and assigning it to the variable rows. This is range for extracting value from that sheet. We have starting from row 2 and column 1. Here you can see our last row is 5. In first row we were placed heading for our own purpose and we did not want to send this heading to our application. That's why we start this range from row 2. As you can see our last row is 5. So sheet.getLastRow -1 give us 4. Sheet.getLastColumn will give 6. So from this value of range we will get 4 rows from row 2 and we will get 6 column from column 1. So here we are getting all data from that sheet and assigning this sheet data in variable rows. Data is a blank list. Here the value of rows.length is 4. In sheet range, position will be start from 1. And as you know, in an array or a list, the position is start from 0. So after assigning this data in variable rows, the counting will be start from 0. For the first time, when the for loop is run, value of r is 0. So in variable row, we are assigning the value row 0. This means that much of value. Here in array record, we creating key and adding this key value from here, and here we store this array in list data. After completing this for loop, here we converting this data into a JSON file and return it. Now let's click on publish. Now select deploy as web app. Every time after changing anything in app script, we need to publish it. Change project version to new. Here you can write what you change in this app script, but it is not necessary. Let's write something. Now update it. Copy the URL. Now for checking what we have done, let's open Postman. Convert it to get and paste the link here. And now send the request. As you can see, we have get all our data in JSON prompt. Let's delete this large data from sheet. Now send the request again. Now as you can see, we have get only 3 data. Now let's again add some data in our sheet. Now let's send the request again. As you can see, we have get the updated data from Google Sheet. In next video, we will fetch this data from our application and we will display this in our application. Thanks for watching the video. If you find something helpful, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.